In today's video, I'll be showing you how to rename a Bluetooth device on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Begin by opening the Settings app, then scroll and select Connections. Under Connections, tap on Bluetooth, then ensure that you're connected to that specific Bluetooth device. It can be a speaker, it can be your AirPods, it's up to you. Once they've been connected to your phone, you should see under Pair the Devices, your device name. All you need to do is tap on the Settings app icon next to it so that you can view its information. In the information menu, tap on the option Rename, then enter in the name you wish to use. Once you've entered in the new device name, tap on Rename to save the change. So now you should see at the top that the name for your Bluetooth device has changed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.